Hello and welcome on my channel SafFix. I'm Saf and today I will try to guide you how to make stuff happen on the computer. Just follow me and everything should work fine. Okay, let's start. Click the message icon in the bottom right corner. Now search for a gear icon named Alt Settings. If you don't see one, it may be because your menu is collapsed, so just click expand and you will see. Now select the devices. Click mouse. In the upper right corner you see additional mouse option. Push it. It will open a tab named mouse properties. Click pointers, and there you have all pointers you want to change. That's all, thank you for watching, see you in the next video.